What's going on, guys? I found the easiest way to install CarPlay on your Tesla. This could be the Model 3, the Model Y, Cybertruck, Model S and X, anything that's over the year 2021. It's literally a USB-C that plugs into this included device that will then plug into the center console of your vehicle. So we're just going to plug this in. There's nothing crazy about installing this. It's literally the easiest thing ever. You'll see a red dot populate. We'll put that in the center console. Eventually the light will be blue. The first thing we're going to do is go to your Wi-Fi within the Tesla, wait for the device to populate. We'll select the H box, select the drop down, and then hit remain connected in drive. And of course the Wi-Fi password can be found within the instruction manual that's sent with you if you purchase this. We're then going to go to the Tesla's web browser and type in hbox.link, and then we should see a menu screen that shows like this. You can see CarPlay, Android, etc., a bunch of apps. We're then going to go to Bluetooth within the car settings and then connect the HCar device. And then you should notice on your cell phone the ability to add your vehicle to CarPlay. And I'm sure it's pretty similar with the Android devices as well. And this is under the Bluetooth setting on the iPhone. And now we're going to go back to the web browser within your car, and voila, we have CarPlay. And pretty much it's the same as any vehicle you use that has CarPlay. There's nothing really different about it. Any apps you have on your cell phone will go ahead and populate within your Tesla. You can see here I have Spotify. This is on my wife's phone, and it's the same type of settings with any CarPlay menu. You can even make the screen bigger. Of course, you cannot do this when driving, but when you're parked, you can make it bigger. And the lag wasn't too bad. It's pretty fast, but there's the option to add Android, and you can also mirror your phone and the use of other apps down below, and there's plenty of settings to change what have you. Here's me in Google Maps just scrolling around. There was a little bit of delay, not too terrible, but pretty manageable. And this is us just driving around. Pretty much no delay here at all when using it. And you can notice you can go to the main screen and hit your next song while it's playing, while also showing the route you're on. And again, this is all within the Tesla web browser under the hbox.link. And for all the Waze Maps lovers out there, we did try Waze Maps, and it was just as fast as Google Maps. But overall, can't complain. It was a little bit of a lag, not too terrible though. But if you're wanting to add CarPlay to your Tesla, again, this is for all Tesla vehicles over years 2021. You have the ability to now add this CarPlay. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one.